In this tutorial, I'm gonna tell you that how can you share large files from your computer to your friends. So let's go to the trick, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then do it now. Believe me, it's free. So let's go to the trick. I have a website here. I will drop this link in a description box so you can get into the website. WeTransfer. Actually, WeTransfer is an online service that allows you to send up to 2 GB of data to any number of recipients. So this is a great website, and this website has a simple interface, so you can easily send your data to your friends. And what you have to do is from here add your files that you want to send to your friends. Add your files, and I will select 651 MB, 881 MB. Okay, I will select this one. And email to, I have to put email of my friend here, so I can put anything, abc@gmail.com. This is the email I want to send to, and here I will drop my email. So xyz@gmail.com. You will put your email here, and message, if I wanna add some message here, so I can add here, and after that I have to click on this button, transfer. So I have another option here. I can send as a link. This email I can send this through link. So what I have to do is add file. This one is added here, and hi, I will transfer this, and after that after completion of this sending a file, I will copy the link and send the link to my friend to download this video from the link. So my internet connection is slow. If you have a high-speed internet connection, then you can share this file in no time. So I will cancel this because it will take some time to complete. So this way you can share large files for free to any number of recipients. So that's all for this tutorial. Thank you for watching, and subscribe for more.